Okay, if you haven't cleaned inside of your washing machine dispenser yet, where the laundry detergent and bleach and fabric softener go, you'd want to take out your dispenser here, and I'll just put it back in. And there's a little release here usually on all the brands to release it out, and then clean out all these little fittings and compartments so that they're all nasty, because laundry detergent actually gums up and starts to get moldy if you don't clean it out. Underneath these things it gets nasty, and then you can put it back together. You can even clean out the underside here. There's a little compartment sometimes that'll cover it. That's where the detergent sprays through. Let's see, it clicks in and it sprays out the back there when it's ready. Then we'll put this back in. But if you haven't done this year, you should do it right now. If you haven't done it ever, probably get a new washer.